Problem of polycystic ovary syndrome in India. Friends, you will be amazed to know that 1 out of 5 women in India is suffering from PCOS. Some are in the extreme, some are in the lower levels. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their fat. Friends, PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome problem is a problem of poor lifestyle. A lifestyle includes a good workout, a good diet, and a good rest. But lacking of all these three things can make a female patient of PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. The major signs in a woman which we can see, the number one sign is the poor menstruation cycle. She does not have the regular menstruation cycle which a fit woman must have. The second thing which we can say easily in a woman, that she must be having a problem of acne or pimples on her face. The third sign that she may be suffering from PCOS is that she can be lightweight or she can be overweight. But in both the condition, she must be feeling some kinds of weakness into her all the time. Friends, if we want to make India a fit country, then there must be a fitness regime for women also. Women require a same amount of protein, same amount of carbohydrate, and same kind of weightlifting to improve their health. And she must have the knowledge about all the things that how she can get it. The number one thing which she must to include is a kind of a workout which she can have. She can walk, she can go to gym, she can lift weight, she can play any game, but she should be to overcome this thing. The second thing which she need to add is that she must have to have the good sleep. It's been seen among the people who sleep usually after 11 p.m. and who take their dinner late, they may be suffer from PCOS. Maybe in lower level, maybe in a higher level. The third and the most important thing which they all have is that they have to have a good nutritious diet. Whatever you are, whoever you are, you must include a good macros like fat, protein, and carbohydrate in your diet. Have complex carbohydrate, have protein diet, have the fats, eat all the fats, eat rice, eat wheat, and make your lifestyle active and healthy lifestyle. Friends, PCOS is a major problem which can take a larger shape in upcoming future of any of the female. She may have the problem of cancer. She may have the problem of conceiving a child in her future if she is not going to take care of her at this time. Please include some workout, diet, and they have a good rest to overcome this problem. If you want to start your health journey, then I have written an ebook so that you can start your health journey. You can do some exercises, you can apply some diet plans into you, and you can start. If you want me to give you some personal health guidance on your problems, then feel free to message me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.